Firestick versus YouTube TV. Which TV platform is better for you? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Firestick and YouTube TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Firestick. The Amazon Firestick is a streaming device that allows you to access apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video. It supports 4K streaming and comes with Alexa voice control for easy navigation. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to install third party apps, giving users access to more content. It also works well with Amazon services, making it a great choice for Prime members. However, Fire Stick does not include live TV by default, and some apps may require separate subscriptions. It also has ads and Amazon promotions, which might be intrusive for some users. Now, moving on to YouTube TV. Unlike Firestick, YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that offers over 100 channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. It provides unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing users to record and watch shows anytime. YouTube TV has no long-term contracts and works across multiple devices, including smart TVs, phones, and tablets. However, it is more expensive than traditional streaming services, and some channels may be removed due to licensing disputes. Additionally, it requires a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. So that's basically the main differences between Firestick and YouTube TV, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.